Hello, I am going to do my exercise demonstration video, so Module 2 Task 4. So I'm going to do 3 different exercise demonstrations today, one of the upper body, one of the lower body and one of the core. So we will start with the upper body exercise and I'm going to demonstrate a push-up. So when you're doing a push-up, you need to start in the plank position before you lower yourself down, chest touching the floor, and then pushing yourself straight back up again. So I will demonstrate that for you now. So making sure that your wrists are locked on as well, feet about shoulder width apart, down, chest touching the floor, hips off the ground, and pushing yourself back up. So the main muscles that this targets is the pectoralis major and minor, which are your 2 major chest muscles. It also targets your anterior deltoids, which are the major shoulder muscles, and your triceps as well. So there are also other muscles used when performing a plank. You have to make sure that your abs are switched on properly when going in, both lowering yourself down and pushing yourself back up. Also your wrists, forearms, knees and hips need to be locked on so that you can maintain that proper plank position the whole time as well. Don't let your hips lower down to that sagging position. Your hips need to stay in the upright plank position the whole time when you are doing your push-ups. The benefits is to increase functional strength via full body movement. Even though it's an upper body exercise, it also does require a lot of other muscles to be used as well. It enhances your cardiovascular system. It also improves your posture when push-ups are done properly, because the muscles responsible for posture are strengthened and fine-tuned from doing your push-ups. So that's the upper body one. The lower body exercise that I'm going to do today is the squat, just a normal body weight squat. So I will demonstrate the squat position. So you need to have your feet shoulder width apart. I'll do it from the side so that you can see. You need to have your, like I said, feet shoulder width apart. I like to put my arms out so it helps counterbalance you. You stick your butt out a little bit before hinging at the hips, going right down to below parallel, and then pushing up through your heels with the squeeze of your bottom at the top. The agnostic muscle used in squatting is your quadriceps, and the synergistic muscles are your gluteus maximus and your adductor maximus, which runs along the midline of your thighs. So when you're at the bottom of your squat, and you have hip and knee flexion, as well as a slight dorsiflexion in your ankle as well, and that's called the eccentric phase. Then once you stand up into the right position with your hips and knees extended, that's called the eccentric phase. So when you're performing a squat, you also use your abdominal muscles and your hamstrings as well to help stabilize your full body. The benefits of the squat include toning your legs, and it also helps lift your bottom as well. And if you want to increase that, you just squeeze your glutes as you push yourself off your heels, and that will help do that as well. It also strengthens your core, and also increases your joint flexibility as well. So the core exercise that I'm going to do today is a crunch. So I will lay on the ground. Hopefully you can still see me. Oh no, hold on, my notes just blew away. Okay, Sorry about that. Hopefully you can still see me when I'm away back here. So put your knees up like this, lay back on the ground with your hands behind your head. So laying back and then lifting your torso slightly to the crunch position, like so. So crunches are designed to tone and define and strengthen the abdominal area. The muscles that you use when you're performing the crunch, they target the abs, which are the parallel muscles that run down your abdomen, as well as your obliques, which are the muscles that run down the sides of your torso as well. Having a strong core is so beneficial in so many ways. People quite often don't realise how important it is to have a really strong core, because we use our core for absolutely everything that we do in life. So the benefits of crunches includes improving your balance and strengthening your ab muscles as well, which in turn helps promote healthy posture, and also helps body function efficiently in everyday life, which also helps prevent lower back pain or any sort of muscle injury as well. So yeah, that are my exercise demonstrations. Have a good day.